Okay, cooking with the tamarind tonight made me remember my childhood games. So I'm going to show you how we play with tamarind seeds. This is what we do in Indonesia when I was little. And usually played among a group of kids. You have to decide which two do you want to try to hit. You can't touch them, and you make them touch each other. If it touches the other seeds, then you lost. Or if you didn't get to hit it properly, you also lose. Like now, I lost. So now it's the other person's turn. So let's pretend I'm the other person. So I'm going to do this. That's for that person. I'm going to do this. Oh, it touches another seed. So now that person lost again. So now it's back to me. And when you do this, you also cannot touch the seed. So when it's too close, you can't do it. Okay. I have to make sure I don't touch the other one. Ah, I missed. So now it's the other person's turn. Keep that one. Okay. Oh, touches another one. So now it's my turn again. Oh, missed. Okay, so now it's the other person's turn. Whoa. Okay, now this is fun. Whoa! Missed. I don't think this is going to get done. Ooh, okay. So finally. Yay! Ta-da!
So who won?
Me, look.
No, those last two were his, not yours. Don't cheat.
No, hold on.
No, it was
Fine.
his. I counted.
Okay. Still, I think I won. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets.